Today I want to take you through how to understand and how to adjust the settings inside your Elecbrakes app. One of the most common questions we get is, what do the numbers mean and where should they be for my trailer? So scrolling through, you can see you have your minimum and forward preset options with program 1. The easiest way to understand this and adjust them all is by going into settings, selecting your program, which you can select from one of 5, and in here you can name it. So you can name it to a specific trailer, caravan, boat, and then you can see your minimum, forward and reverse response on the same screen and adjust them all in one go. Now, minimum response, this is the one we get asked about the most. What does this mean and what does it do? Minimum response is where your brakes start braking. So think of the numbers from 0 to 100 as a percentage. At 10, your brakes will start at 10% once you apply the brake pedal. That will slowly go to 50% based on your inertia. Adjusting these is as simple as sliding the numbers up or down based on your preference, how heavy your trailer is, and how you like your trailer to brake. We always recommend starting at 10 for a minimum response and 50 for a forward response. When it comes to reversing, this is where sometimes having your electric brake controller set too high can really impede you navigating your caravan. And that's why Elecbrakes separate the reverse response separately so that you can have it set to a lower setting or a higher setting depending on the terrain you're traversing. Simply move the numbers up and down to help adjust. Same thing, we recommend starting at 10 and adjusting from there. This can be done and saved across all different programs, different trailers, so that each time you get in the car, all you have to do is select the program, not manually adjust your numbers. Another setting you can adjust in your Elecbrakes app is your override preset. Your override function is designed to just apply the brakes on your trailer in the event of an emergency or to slow down trailer sway. This is recommended to be quite a low number, as anything too high will cause your van brakes or trailer brakes to lock up. This is purely just to slow the van down so that the vehicle can tow it properly again. Adjusting by sliding up and down, we recommend leaving the number at 35, which is in the preset setting, which is 35% brake capacity. Last feature of your Elecbrakes that can be adjusted from your app is a built-in SwayControl function. The SwayControl is what will automatically apply the brakes on your trailer if it detects sway from the brake control unit. You can adjust these from high to low sensitivity based on your driving conditions simply by sliding the toggle left to right. We recommend leaving it at halfway, and if you feel like on a windy day your sensitivity is too high and it's causing your van to brake all the time, turn down from there. You can also adjust these settings from your car's infotainment system using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, giving you plus/minus buttons for your minimum response to adjust up and down, forward response, reverse response, your manual override, and your SwayControl response. This negates the need for having to use your phone while driving, especially if wanting to adjust on the fly, or if there's some minor adjustments that need to be made without having to pull your phone out. You can also select between different programs and see your presets in each program from your infotainment screen.